Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. We are the company that provide all type of solution, any type of homework solutions and any type of related issue in the studies. You have to just tell about your study issues on our WhatsApp number which is showing on your screen. You have to just paste your PDF or tell us about your study problem in the WhatsApp number and we provide all the solutions in a day of your issues. So now the question number 5 is to write a short note on the following here. India Trade Promotion Organization ITPO, Value Added Network Service VANS and Documentary Credit and stages of customer clearance. So here are the 4 points that we have to discuss and we need to answer it. So if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and we provide all type of solutions in a day. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.